Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Codes Nest. Today we are going to learn to create a scene for celebration of India Independence Day. So those students who are from abroad some other countries, they can celebrate their own country's Independence Day. For this purpose, we will learn how to add sprites from downloaded images or we'll draw the images. Further, we'll learn how to add backdrops from downloaded images. Further, we learn how we'll use these downloaded images for flag in a repeat loop to give effect of animation. And most importantly, we will learn how to paint a sprite characters, and next we will learn how to duplicate these characters and create different characters, sprite characters. And last but not the least, how we will add the downloaded national anthem. I repeat, though I am going to create scene for Independence Day celebration of India. Those who are from other countries, they can choose their respective scenes. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we'll create a scene to add a backdrop. This is a by default cat sprite. We'll delete it, and so we will choose a backdrop. Choosing a backdrop, I will go again back, and there are options available. I can choose from gallery, I can paint the backdrop, or a surprise, or I can upload. You can draw also. For this time I am going to upload backdrop from my folder, saved folder. Downloaded images, I will open it, and now backdrop is set as my background scene. Okay, now after this I have to create a sprite. First sprite I am going to create. For that purpose, I am going to paint this sprite. Paint this sprite, I will choose this option and choose outline as 1 and fill as black. Further, I am going to use the rectangle tool. There are many other tools like select, reshape, eraser, text, circle, line, fill, right, and brush. So I am going to use the rectangle tool with black color and outline set as 1. I have done it. So now I want a similar rectangle once more. So I will select this again rectangle and press Ctrl C, Ctrl V like we use in Microsoft Word. So there will be 2 rectangles available with me now, right? So further I will want to draw a rectangle, but this time I want to draw of a different color. So let's draw different color. So I will choose this color. Okay, and press draw rectangle button. I'll drag it. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I will have now 2 rectangles. Now I will draw once more rectangle, and this time I will choose different color. Say I choose green color. Okay. So now I will draw one more rectangle. I will choose color different. Choose the right. So now I will use draw a circle and drag it, right? Now what I am going to do, I will select it and draw a little So now I will draw arms. For arm I will choose rectangle again, and color again choose same. I will draw arm. Control C, Control V. I will have two set of this rectangles. After that I will move it. Like this. I will move little like this and move it like this. This is done. So I will adjust it. Final adjustment. Okay. So it is done. So now I will copy paste these rectangles and put it like here. Once more, Control C, Control V. Put it like here. So this I will tilt this way. Okay. So now our sprite is almost ready. Tilt it little that way and use it here. Okay, so now our sprite is almost ready. Okay, done. So sprite is ready. We have drawn now, but we'll add some more effects, like we'll add eyes. We'll choose black color. Control C, Control V. So we have now choose arrow keys. Okay. So we have drawn Control C, Control V. Delete it and we'll select this. Eyes. Now we'll draw mouth by using line. Now it appears like sad. So what we'll do? We'll select it and select this backdrop. Now use the reshaping tool. We'll pull it from center. Okay. Now it is our sprite is smiling. Now we'll add one thing more. We'll add hat. Hat will use say color red. Red or orange, whatever color you want. Red or orange. So you can use that color. Right. So hat is done. So now to create animation we have to duplicate this sprite. So again what we'll do, we'll use select button and select this arm and we'll shift it. Create movement. Now further we'll again duplicate it and this arm again will tilt towards this right arm. It is moving towards forehead. Okay, so we'll again duplicate it. So this time we will tilt it further. Right. So last we will duplicate for the last time, and now we are going to touch the forehead. We'll tilt it and we'll select this also and tilt it. Right, done. So now our this is done. Now we'll create code for this. To create the code, what we'll write will when the green flag is clicked. Okay, so when green flag is clicked, okay, we'll adjust this sprite, and when green flag is clicked, we will go to events black, and after that we want to wait for 0.4 seconds. Please make sure it is 0.4. Okay, so after that 0.5 we will go to looks tab and switch costume to costume number 2, right? So we'll duplicate these blocks, right click and duplicate. So we have got this here. Okay, we'll duplicate again, and we will duplicate again, and duplicate again. Because we have 5 costumes, we will be shifting costume number 3 and costume number 4 and costume number 5. Okay, so I think this we can leave it. So this is complete, costume 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So now just when we'll click, see how the animation effect comes, right? So this is the animation effect. So when the green, we will just place it little at the center. Okay. So next we have created the animation effect of this sprite. We will duplicate this sprite. All code will be duplicated. So this time we will going to create it as 25%. So it is small sprite, as we can see here, right? We'll duplicate this small sprite again. So see, we have duplicated 2 sprites. Further, now we will add one more sprite here. For that sprite we'll go again to choose a sprite and we'll upload the sprite. We'll choose India flag as our sprite. For other students who are from other countries, they can choose their respective flags. We'll put it over here. Okay, in between, like we have placed them. Now what we'll do, we'll click the India flag and we'll just increase its size, say 130, right? 130, so we will reduce little bit, say 115%. Okay, so it's okay. Now we'll go to the code and costume. We have one costume already there, so we will upload the different other costumes. Go to upload and upload the India flag 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, those students who are from different countries, they can choose their respective flags. So now I have 5 costumes for India flag. Now I will write code for India flag exactly as I wrote a code for this sprite. I will copy it. Okay, so copy paste is very easy. It appears that we will drag it, and when India flag is little bit see, it is waving, I will leave it. So it remains in original position as well as it gets copied to India flag also. So now here costume is different. With India flag 2, costume we will change to India flag 3 and India flag 4, India flag 5. When we click green flag, see, this appears like animation. Now we want this animation to continue forever. For this purpose, we'll go to control loop and use a forever loop. So we'll use a forever loop here. So the whole code is now in forever loop. So when we click it, so India flag now is animating forever. Similarly, other students can use their flag. So now one scene is complete, and now what we'll do, stop this code and add national anthem. To add national anthem, we will add national anthem. We'll select the backdrop. A backdrop is selected. So in backdrop, we will go to sound. This is a pop normal sound, right? Pop. So we will change national anthem sound. So we'll upload the sound from here. Select Indian national anthem. Open it. Importing it. So let's see how it plays. It's playing. Stop it. And now we'll again go to the code. In code, events block, when the green flag is clicked, go to the sound, make sure the play sound Indian national anthem until done. Okay, so this is done. So what we'll do, we'll also this is complete. So now let's start our project. Our project is complete. So let's see how it runs. We'll press the green flag. So hope you everyone like this project to celebrate Indian Independence Day, and hope you can also make it for you. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you.